Hello everyone, welcome back to another market analysis video. In this video, I'm going to share 9 stocks that you can trade for intraday tomorrow. So let's get started. As you can see, this is the 15 minutes time frame of Sun TV. And if you remember, I had already shared this in one of my previous videos, and it is still in this rising wedge pattern, right? So what you can do is you can just wait for it to break down. I'm not going to suggest a long trade for this one because this looks better in the short side. Once it breaks down this pattern, a short entry can be taken, and you can consider this level as your short target. I'll just check. Yeah, point this as your first target, and you can consider uh, you can consider this level as your second target. Okay. Moving on to the next one, we have lupin. Lupin, as you can see, it has formed a symmetrical triangle pattern. Right, it has formed a symmetrical triangle pattern. So a trade can be taken after breakout. Once the stock breaks out on either side, an entry can be taken. For long side, you can easily take an entry above this level, right? So once it closes above this level, you can take an entry and consider this level as your target. Let's see how big this is. 1% is okay. If you want to hold it further, you can just use pivots. And for short side, this looks like a level. So of course, if it closes below this level, a short entry can be taken, and you can consider this level as your short target. Okay. Very simple analysis, guys, nothing complicated, no indicator. As you can see, these are just levels and based on price action. Moving on to the next one, we have Sun Pharma. Okay, so this, as you can see, this has is the first top and this is the second top, right? And can you see this level? What you can do is you can just wait for it to break down. I'm not going to suggest a short trade for a long trade for this one. I'm only going to suggest a short trade. So once it sustains above this level, below this level, a short entry can be taken. You can consider this level as your short target, the neckline. As this is double top, you can plan for a short trade. I'll just check how big this is. 1.2% perfect target for intraday. Moving on to the next one, we have Bajaj Finance. You can see it opened a gap up and it has been consolidating, and like I always say, consolidation breakouts are my favorite thing in the world. So once it breaks out on either side, for target, what you can do is you can just simply consider pivot as your target. 1 or 2% target is enough. 1% target is enough for intraday. 1 or 2 pivot levels can be considered for your target accordingly. Okay, very simple. Bajaj Finance 15 minutes time frame, it's a consolidation. The next one, what do we have over here? We have Wipro also. Let me just check. Okay, symmetrical triangle. Trade can be taken and break out on either side. What you can do is, if the stock breaks out here, you can consider this level as a first target, and for second target, you can just consider another pivot. Approximately 1% target is enough for intraday, and this is 0.9%. And you can consider this level as your second target. Okay, very simple. Again, symmetrical triangle, totally based on price action. You can take a trade after the this thing, after the breakout. Again, this is NTPC 15 minutes time frame. As you can see, this is the level again for a short side only. Once it closes below this level, a short entry can be taken. You can consider this level as your target. I'll just check how big this is. 1.5% perfect for intraday. Once it closes below this level, you can simply take a short trade and you can consider this level as your target. Moving on to the next one, we have Reliance. Reliance, as you can see, it has been consolidating in this range. So what we can do is we can just wait for a breakout. Okay, once it breaks out this level, a long entry can be taken, and this level can be considered as the long target. I'll just check how big this is. This is 0.9%. We don't have a recent price action level over here. So the next target, what you can do is you can just consider pivot level as your next target. And for short side, this looks like a good target to me. Yes, 1.3% perfect target. This looks like. So this is Reliance again, consolidation breakout. Here we have the last one. We have SBI over here, right? Okay, SBI. We can see a pole and a flag pattern, right? So usually this should give you a long side trade. Once it breaks out here, a long entry can be taken, and we do also see a level over here, right? So what you can do is you can just wait for it to break out. You can consider this level as your target. I'll just check how big this is. I don't think this is a very big target. 0.7%. Yes. So what you can do is you can just consider another pivot level above this level as your final target. Okay, for short side, once it closes below this level, a short entry can be taken, and you can consider this level as the first target and this level as the final target. Okay, so this is it for the video, guys. 9 stocks I have shared. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.